next, what we have is desktop yoga. We actively encourage each and every one of you to join us in performing the desktop yoga. You can sit down and join us in this. Now, desktop yoga is a series of exercises based on yoga and designed specifically for working people. Simple and easy modified yoga exercises that can help you calm, invigorate, and relax. This is a perfect solution for all of you who want a simple, relaxing workout which you can perform while sitting at their desks. To perform desktop yoga for you, to instruct you, let's welcome on stage Namrata Nanda, representing the Indian Ladies Association.
Good evening, everyone. We are now going to do desktop yoga. These desktop yogic exercises are so simple, so gentle, that they can be done anywhere, anytime, and by anyone. Only thing is, you have to keep a gap of about 30 minutes between your meal time and your desktop yoga time. And these exercises are basically designed for a modern and sedentary lifestyle. And they are great, they are very beneficial for all those people who work on computers for long hours, those who do desk jobs for long hours without taking breaks. Because of sitting for a long time, people are facing so many problems nowadays. They come to my class and I see them. They have problems in their fingers, stiffness, now fingers are there. They have problems in the wrists, especially those who use computer mouse frequently without giving any rest to their wrist. They have wrist problems, they have tennis elbow problems, frozen shoulder problems, back problems, spondylitis, slip disc, neck pain, head pain, migraine, eye problems, and the list is endless. Don't worry, I don't want to scare you here with the problems, but if you do my desktop yogic exercises regularly and take frequent breaks from your seats, you will not have to face these problems in your life. Okay? So are you all ready to do desktop yoga with your Namrata teacher? I can't hear you. Are you all ready to do desktop yoga? Yes, I can hear you now. That's great. So everyone, I want you all to comfortably and just relax, just chill and enjoy the evening. And those who are sitting on chairs, kindly sit straight. Try to keep your backbone straight. And your backbone should be touching the back of your chair. There should be minimum gap between your back and your chair's back. And even at your workplace, you should be following these routine. And those who are sitting on the ground, on mats, they can also sit in any comfortable pose. They can sit in Sukhasana, cross-legged position. They can sit in Vajrasana, kneel down pose. They can even stay front and sit. Okay, so let's start. And please do all this as per your physical capacity. So everyone, can you please stretch both your hands in front? I want everyone's participation. Oh, people at the back, come on everyone. Please stretch your hands in front and try to keep your hands parallel to the floor. Okay, and palms up. And can you see 3 parts in your fingers? Yes. So we have to first bend the first line, the first part. Keep bending. It's a very simple exercise, but very good exercise for the computer users and those who use mouse frequently. They keep clicking mouse buttons. Center one and close the whole fist and open. Close and open. Are you all following it? I can see everyone from here. Very good. Close and open. Close tightly and open. This is called Mushtikasana. It relieves all the stress from your hands and from your palms and from the wrist. Now rotate. Rotate both your fists. From outside to inside. Outside to inside. That's great. Now change the direction of rotation from inside to outside. It's a good exercise for curing tennis elbow problems, frozen shoulder problems, and relax. Now scissors movement of your palms. Keep one palm up and the other down. And keep moving. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And keep smiling. These are stress releasing and tension releasing exercises. So you have to smile. Only then you get the full benefit. Great. Palms up and on side. Up and side. Up and side. And relax. Do you feel nice now? Your arms are so relaxed. Great. And now can you all fold your arms and catch your shoulders? Okay. Breathe in, hands out. Stretch your hands on your side and bend your palms out. Very good. And breathe out. Breathe in. Keep smiling. Don't forget to smile. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now bring your elbows in front. And again, breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. And now try to rotate your elbows. First make small circles, baby circles. And now keep on increasing the size of the circles. Mama circles, Papa circles, and granny circles. Oh, great. And now in the end your elbows should be touching in front. Very good. And relax. And change the direction of rotation. So in yoga, whenever we do some exercises in clockwise direction, we have to do in the opposite direction also. And if you're bending on right, we also have to bend on left also. And relax. Oh, wow. And now catch your left wrist behind your head and stretch. Stretch nicely, everyone. Stretch, stretch. Stretch your left hand towards the right side and relax. Change the direction. Hold the other hand now. Stretch, stretch, everyone. People at the back are not doing. I can see that. Come on, everyone. You all have to participate. I told you. It is Namrata teacher's class. You have to. I want full participation. So come on. Catch your fingers this time and relax. The other side and relax. Okay. Wow. And now interlock your fingers and keep your hands at the back of your head and relax. Take a chill pill and look up. Look at the sky and look at the twinkling stars. Wow, so nice, so relaxing. Breathe in, bend back. Breathe out, bend in front. And your chin should be touching your throat. But if anybody has spondylitis problems, don't bend too much in front. You can just keep your neck straight also. One more time, breathe in, bend back. Breathe out, bend in front. And relax. Great. Now bending on side. Breathe in and breathe out. Bend towards your right side. We start all our yoga exercises from the right side because we have a heart on our left and we don't want to trouble our heart so much. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, bend towards left side. Come on, everyone. Are you all following it? Breathe in and keep enjoying the desktop yogic exercises. Breathe out and relax. Now time to turn. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly turn towards your right side and try to see as much back as you can. Breathe in, breathe out, turn towards left side. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, right. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. Good. You all are doing so well. You all are perfect yogis. And relax. Oh, that's so nice. Interlock your fingers. Breathe in, stretch hands up. Stretch them a lot, everyone. Come on, stretch yourself. And breathe out. It will relax our shoulders. It will relax our backbone. Breathe in. And it will also improve blood circulation. And breathe out. Wow. And let's do some eye exercises also. Because many times, most of the times people who are working in the offices, even at home people, they watch computers. They're sitting in front of the computer screen for long hours. So if you're sitting for long hours, remember, you have to take a break of 3 minutes after every 30 minutes. Is that clear? So if you're sitting for about 30 minutes, for how many minutes do you have to stand and take a break? 3 minutes. Everyone say 3 minutes. Wow. You're intelligent students, huh? Great. Okay, so you have to keep on taking breaks. You have to get up from your seats and take off your eyes from the computer screen. And you can splash water in your eyes. You can have a glass of water and look at the distant objects. Don't keep on looking here only. And if there's a window in your room, you can look outside the window. You can look at the tall buildings, faraway objects. Okay, that is so. And your eyes will say thank you to you for this. Great. So what we have to do now is, when you are taking breaks, frequent breaks from your daily routine, you have to first do the tapping. So tap your eyelids with first 2 fingers. Close your eyes. Tap your eyelids. And relax. And now blinking. So everyone close your eyes tightly. Close them tightly. And open. Open wide. Wide open your eyes. Close and open. Close and open. Close tightly and wide open your eyes. Oh. And now let's do palming. So rub your palms, everyone, and generate a lot of energy and apply this positive cosmic energy on your eyes. And feel the warmth of your hands. And relax. So remember these 3 exercises, they are called BPT exercises. B for blinking. P for palming. T for tapping. Okay, could you please repeat after me? B for? Great. P for? T for? Wow, wonderful. I'm so impressed. That's nice. Okay, and now after this, let's do some household work also. Since we have all the latest gadgets in our home, we have food processors, we have washing machines, we have dishwashers, we have vacuum cleaners. My God, there's no end to it, huh? So we don't do much physical work as compared to our previous generations. Our parents, grandparents, they used to do so much of physical work, but we are not doing those things. So we can do those exercises now in our yoga class. Okay? So let's start with milking the camel. Feel as if you're sitting in a farm and extracting the milk. Come on, squeeze your fist. Great. And now churn the milk. Take out buttermilk. Come on, everyone. Take out buttermilk. And now Chakki piecing pose, Chakki Chalan. Interlock your fingers and make big, big circles. It is a nice weight reduction exercise, tummy tucking exercise, because those who sit for long hours, they tend to put on weight also. Change the direction of rotation. This is the way we grind the wheat, grind the wheat, grind the wheat. This is the way we grind the wheat in our yoga class whole day long to cut down our fat from our abdomen. Oh, great. So who all want to go for boating with me in this beautiful garden? Raise your hands. Oh, all are ready. So come on, let's row our boats also. Come on. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Yoga is so sweet. Change the direction. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And if you see Namrata teacher, don't forget to scream. Yay! Great. Thank you so much for listening to me and for being such good students. So what do you do when you're happy? Clap your hands. So when you are happy and you know, you clap your hands. When you are happy and you know, you clap your hands. When you are happy and you know, and you really want to show. When you are happy and you know, you clap your hands. Clap, clap. Say goodbye. Have a great evening. Bless you all. Thank you so much. See you all next time in my next yoga session.
Thank you so much, Namrata. That was Namrata Nanda with the Desktop Yoga. Thank you so much, everyone.